Welcome back to the Universe of Tech Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn about react.js. Tutorial is prepared for professionals who are aspiring to make a career in the field of developing a front-end web application. This tutorial is intended to make you comfortable in getting started with React concepts with example. React is an open source JavaScript library for developing a user interface in web application. React is developed and released by Facebook. Facebook is continuously working on the React library, enhancing it by fixing bugs, introducing new features like that. This tutorial start with the architecture of React, creating a component, JSX, and then walks through a advanced concepts like state management, form programming, routing, and finally conclude with step-by-step working with example like that. And before proceeding with the various types of concepts given in this tutorial, before proceeding with the various types of concepts given in this tutorial, the listeners have the basic knowledge in the HTML, CSS, and the OOPS concepts. Next, we move on to the what is React.js. This is the introduction. React.js is a simple, feature-rich, and component-based JavaScript UI library. It is a component-based JavaScript UI library. It can be used to develop a small application as well as big complex applications. React.js is providing minimal and solid features set to a kickstart a web application. React community complements React library by providing a large set of ready-made components to develop a web application in a record time. The React community also provides advanced concepts like a state management, routing, etc. on top of the React library. This is the what is React, and it is all about React. Next, this is all about the React.js. Next, we move on to the what are the features of React.js. The silent features of React library solid base architecture. It is a solid base architecture. It is an extensible architecture, and also it is a component based library. Then JX is based design architecture. It is a React.jsx. Its extension is React.jsx. The declarative UI library. It is a declarative UI library. What it means? The solid library. First, we need to understand the features of React. React is a powerful, popular, and JavaScript library for building a dynamic and interactive user interface. It's a feature set it apart as an efficient tool for front-end development. First one is solid base architecture. React provides a robust and stable architecture designed for efficient and scalable application. It uses a unidirectional data flow like one-way data binding, making a data management predictable, built on the concepts of virtual DOM, which minimizes the direct DOM manipulation and optimizes rendering the performance. Next one is extensible architecture. React is highly modular and can be extended to suit the needs of diverse projects. Next, it integrates the seamless with libraries for state management like Redux and context API like that, and routing React router and API and handling Axios or Fetch like that. It offers the support for third-party libraries and tools, allowing developers to add the functionalities easily. This is all about what are the features. Next features is component based library. It is a component based library. Applications are built using a reusable components, the building blocks of React. Each component is represented as a part of the UI and manage its own logic and state. This is the features of React.js. The components promote a reusability, modularity, and maintainability, simplifying a complex application development. It is also a JSX based design architecture. React uses a JSX, JavaScript XML, a syntax extension that allows you to write a HTML and JavaScript together. What is JSX means? It is a syntax extension that allows you to write a HTML and JavaScript together. It's called as JSX. It enhances the code readability and simplifies the development of UI components. Make it is easier to visualize the DOM structures and bind a dynamic data. Next is it is a declarative UI library. React employs a declarative programming style where developers describe what the UI should look like rather than how to build it. React handles the rendering of components based on changes in state of props like that. State or props, reducing the need of the manual DOM. This approach improves the debugging and readability and code predictability. These features make a React an ideal choice for building a fast and scalable and maintainable web application. It is suitable for both simple projects and large scale enterprise applications. Next, we move on to the benefits. What are the benefits of React library? Using a React library, it is easy to learn and easy to adopt in modern as well as legacy application. It is a faster way to code a functionality, and it is a availability of large number of ready-made components and also large and active community. In coming tutorial, we will explain with code. Next, we move on to the application. What are the applications? Few popular websites is powered by React library are listed below. The Facebook popular social media application we use is a React.js, and Instagram popular photo sharing application. It is also used in the React.js, and Netflix popular media streaming application. It is React.js used in the Netflix, Instagram, and Facebook like that. And Code Academy, popular online training application, and Reddit, popular content sharing application. As you see, most popular application in every field is being developed by React library. It is all about React. What are the applications of React.js? It is all about instructions of the React.js. Next class, we will learn about installation of React.js and like how it works and commands, how to create a projects in React.js, how what the tool we used like that. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.